ကဲဒီနေ့မှာတော့နော် Hotel English မှာသင်တဲ့ဟာလေးကိုနည်းနည်းမျှဝေပေးလိုက်ပါတယ်နော်မေးမယ်အတူချုံးလေးတွေပေါ့နော် interview လေးတွေလည်းမှာလည်းမေးတတ်တဲ့ဟာလေး Okay အခြေခံအစကြည့်လိုက်မယ်နော် What is your name? My name is David. Where are you from? I am from Myanmar. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Are you married? No, I'm single. What is your job? I am a hotel staff. Where do you live? I live in Yangon. What language do you speak? I speak Myanmar and English. Do you have any brothers or sister? Yes, I have one brother, one sister. What is your phone number? My phone number is 091234567889. Okay, what do you do in your free time? Now, I watch movies and listen to music. Okay, B1 level ရောက်လာကြည့်မယ်နည်းနည်းလေးခက်လာမယ်ပေါ့နော် Can you tell me about yourself? I'm a hotel receptionist with 2 years of experience. Why did you choose this job? Because I like working with people. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are reading and learning English. Do you have work experience? Yes, I worked at a hotel for 2 years. What are you good at? I'm good at customer service. Okay, B2 level ရောက်ပါ upper intermediate နည်းနည်းလေးထပ်ခက်လာမယ်နော် What kind of person are you? I am friendly, responsible, and hardworking. What are your strength and weakness? My strength is communication. My weakness is being too careful. What are your future plans? I plan to improve my English and grow in my career. Why should we hire you? Because I am reliable and eager to learn. How do you handle difficult customer? I stay calm, listen carefully, and try to solve the problem. Okay, အဆင်ပြေပါစေနော်ပြန်ဖတ်ကြည့်မယ်နော်ပြန်ဖတ်ကြည့်ကြမယ်ဒါလေးကို